In a dramatic turn of events, the Lok Sabha witnessed chaos as two alleged protesters breached security and unleashed mayhem. Following the incident outside the parliament, media personnel gathered in a frenzy to report on the breach. TV9 Bharatvarsh executive editor Manish Jha took center stage, brandishing a yellow canister that he claimed to be a smoke bomb used by the intruders. While waving the canister for the cameras and attempting to convey the gravity of the situation, Jha declared that what he was holding in his hand was indeed the smoke bomb used in Lok Sabha. Among the journalists attempting to get a closer look was News 18's Pallavi Ghosh. However, Jha held on firmly to the alleged smoke bomb, creating a tussle among the reporters eager to include the sensational footage in their coverage. A News Nation reporter was also seen reaching for the canister, highlighting the intense competition among journalists to capture the most compelling visuals for their reports. Meanwhile, Jha continued his commentary on the potential dangers of the canister, emphasizing that matchsticks are required to activate it. He underscored the severity of the security breach, deepening the sense of alarm among those witnessing the unfolding events. During the breach, two individuals reportedly entered the well of the house, releasing smoke canisters and shouting slogans. Journalists on the scene alleged that the protesters chanted "Tanashahi nahi chalegi," which means dictatorship will not work. Shockingly, reports from the Hindu suggested that the individuals responsible for the breach may have received passes from BJP MP from Mysore, Pratap Simha, according to information gathered from some Lok Sabha MPs. As the parliament grapples with the aftermath of this security breach, questions linger about the effectiveness of parliament security measures and the motivations behind the alleged intrusion.